Tired of dry, dull skin? Discover the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, your secret weapon for instantly plumper, smoother skin. This serum doesn't just hydrate, it locks in moisture with ceramides, strengthening your skin's barrier for lasting comfort. You'll notice those fine, dry lines and wrinkles starting to fade, replaced by a noticeable boost in elasticity. The power of Pro-Vitamin B5 works wonders to enhance your skin's natural moisture retention and support crucial barrier components. What truly sets this apart is its unique blend of 5 different types of hyaluronic acid, reaching all upper layers of your skin for deep, multi-depth hydration. Imagine your skin feeling quenched, supple, and radiantly healthy all day long. If you're looking for the absolute best hydration serum that delivers real results, you need to try this. Ready to transform your skin? Click the Amazon link in the description below to get yours. You won't regret this game-changing purchase.